Hello viewers, many people actually want to buy iPad 11th generation during Black Friday sale or Christmas sale. So a lot of users are actually asking me which is the best price for iPad 11th generation. iPad 11th generation comes with A16 Bionic chipset with 128 GB of internal storage and Wi-Fi variant. The price of iPad 11th generation is around 33,000 rupees currently. But if you want to know the best price of iPad 11th generation, in that case the best price would be 27 to 28,000 rupees maximum during sale. This iPad is ideal for multimedia consumption and the screen quality is excellent. Though it is a non-laminated display, yet you will find that the brightness level and the saturation level on the display is top-notch. Also, you will thoroughly enjoy 4K 60 FPS videos on YouTube and many other OTT platforms. So if you are looking for an iPad for multimedia consumption, iPad 11th generation can be your choice. But if you want to take notes on iPad 11th generation, you have to buy the pen separately. The best part of iPencil is that you can buy third-party iPencil from Amazon or Flipkart.com. The price of third-party iPencil starts from 600 rupees and there are many options available. I personally use Kingone iPencil. The battery backup and the writing experience of Kingone iPencil is top-notch. Normally the price of this iPencil is around 1000 to 1.2k. So if you are interested to buy Kingone iPencil, I will put the link in the description below. You can buy by clicking on that link. Another advantage of iPad 11th generation is that you will get regular software updates. Currently iPad 11th generation is running on iPadOS 26.1. This is one of the best updates that Apple has ever pushed. Also, if you are a content creator, in that case, you can edit your videos in 4K 60 FPS in your iPad 11th generation because it comes with A16 Bionic chipset which is very powerful. So finally, in the conclusion, you can buy iPad 11th generation at a price point of 27 to 28,000 rupees during Christmas sale or Black Friday sale. I think you will get discounts in Christmas sale on iPad 11th generation. If you get the pricing right, you can buy with credit cards. Maybe Axis Bank or ICICI Bank credit card can be eligible for discounts on Flipkart.com. I will let you know as soon as Flipkart reveals the deal for iPad 11th generation. Hope this video has become informative to you. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.